Yes, I understand. Thanks. Look, bro, this nigga's a jewelry. He's a jewelry fiend, bro. He be spent. He's look at this nigga, bro. He's the flexor of the group, bro. Look at this nigga. He don't know what the fuck that is. He cursed. That's why this nigga's cursed. He just look at this red. What is that? He's cursed. And now you're cursed. That's not gonna stop the witch.
Where is my bracelet of Zotulu?
He just hold himself 10 times more.
Oh, here go JT.